Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Huafit Watch S6. On our previous video, we have a demo for the message notification. So we are done with that. On this video, we are going to explore another smart feature of the Huafit Watch S6. We'll explore the Bluetooth call support. So this wearable do have a feature for Bluetooth call. So we'll check and see if the smartwatch works with our Android smartphone. Let's see if we can dial a number, receive a call, as well as let's listen if we can hear the Bluetooth call. Let's see if the speaker is okay as well as the mic. So if you are interested in getting the Huafit Watch S6 but you want to know first if the Bluetooth call works or the Bluetooth call is okay, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and explore the Bluetooth call feature of the Huafit Watch S6. When we pair the wearable, we already added the phone number as well as we already set the Bluetooth call. As you can see here, we have the quick communication and we have the number here of Sam. If you want to add one, okay, just select, then confirm, and let's wait for it. Contact successfully added. As you can see, we do have the number of Cindy here. Let's see if it's synchronized in our smartwatch. Let's check call menu, contacts, and we have here the number of Cindy. Okay, seems like everything is okay, everything is set. Let's start. Again, the wearable is using the Fit app. So let's call Sam. Okay, and let's see if we can receive it here. Let's call Sam, and as you can see here, Cindy is calling. You have an option to answer or deny the calls. So there's no quick reply support and call. Okay, so far it works for the Bluetooth call. Seems like we can receive a call here on the smartwatch. Later on, we are going to answer the call. Next, let's have the menus here on the smartwatch. Let's go to the call menu. We have the call log here, so Cindy called us. We have the contacts, so let's try to call Cindy. It's now calling Cindy. We have a volume adjustment, and as you can see here, we are dialing the number of Cindy, and we have here, okay, our phone. Okay, as you can see, we have a missed call here. So it works for our contacts here. So you can call Cindy or you can call someone directly here on the smartwatch just by using the contacts. Next, let's use the dial pad. So let's call this number 0919 809 2094. So let's try this one. Calling Cindy, and let's see if we can receive it here. And we have the number calling we have our smartwatch calling the number here and call. Okay, let's adjust the volume again. Calling Cindy, and as you can see here, it is dialing the number. Okay, and call. Nice. So far everything works here. We have the call log, we have the dial pad, and we have the contacts. So before we end, let's answer the call here. Let's see if the speaker is okay. Okay, so I'm going to call again. Let's try this one, and we'll answer it here directly on the smartwatch. Okay, so let's answer the call. Hello, this is a Bluetooth call. So it works with the Wafit Watch S6. Bye. Okay, so it works with the Bluetooth call. So when you answer it, you can answer it here, I mean, on the Wafit Watch S6. Seems like the speaker is okay. The mic is okay for the Bluetooth call. And of course, all of this feature works with our Wafit Watch S6. So that's it for our demo for the Wafit Watch S6 Bluetooth call. So there's a volume adjustment, but there's no quick reply. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.